A just culture in the aviation industry is absolutely vital, because at the end of the day you can only deal with what you know, and we need to have that reporting, that steady reporting from the staff and from everybody within the business, so we can identify those areas where we need to improve from a safety perspective. Centrik facilitates building a just culture in two ways. Firstly, it makes it very easy for staff to raise safety issues. The form, etc., through the software is very easy to submit on or offline, so that's nice and simple. I think also from a management perspective, it makes it very easy to manage and for us to really understand the root causes of this problem and what we're going to do about it. I always worry when I see companies claim to have zero safety incidents over this year or over the last few years, because actually I'd always expect to see a steady stream of reporting, because that means we've got a culture within the business of continuous improvement. Centrik will enable that entire system, if you like, that entire ecosystem of safety reporting, from the reporting from the front line all the way through to management doing something about it, and then reporting back to the individual to say, hey, we've acknowledged what you've raised, this is what we're doing about it, because it's normally going to lead to a change in process and procedure.